Hi guys, so today this is my first ever video, and so I'm really excited. My YouTube channel is literally about squishies, and so I'll put all my social medias and stuff down below. Make sure to go check that out, and just hit that subscribe button, and which is the red button, Okay, let's just get on to the video. So I got these two squishy packages, and surprisingly it doesn't have my address on anywhere, not even front or back. I think it has it on my invoice, but and this is made out of paper, and oh, this bag smells really good. This one I don't really know what it smells like, but this is made out of paper, and I ordered this package from oh gosh, Evil Squishy 024, and then here's package number 2, Evil Squishy 024, and so let's just get on to picking the stuff. Alright, so the first thing that I picked out in this first package is, my invoice. And it says I bought one Eye Bloom Peach original packaging, one Eye Bloom shortcake original packaging, loaf bread original packaging, panda bun gnome original packaging. This says no refund. Total was $50 actually, and then it says no extra, which is totally fine. I really don't care about extras. I really do care about what I get. And so let's pick out some instead of our invoice. So the first thing, is this supposed to be my Eye Bloom Peach? First of all, this is not real Eye Bloom. Second of all, this is not this is not real Eye Bloom, and this is not in real package, not in original packaging, which is really disappointing. And yeah, I guess that's fine. Because look, I ordered one Eye Bloom Peach original packaging. So you can see over here. Oops, over here. Gosh, one Eye Bloom Peach original packaging. And this is not even a real Eye Bloom Peach or original packaging. And I spent about $20 for this. Alright, let's just move on to the next thing. The next thing is, my panda bun. But I asked for a stretchy strap, and this doesn't even have a strap. Are you kidding me? Why do they think this is okay for them to just give not good squishies? Alright, that was all for this package. Now we're going to move on to the second package. Oh, this is heavy. But I still didn't get my loaf bread and shortcake. Okay, and the first thing that I pull out. Okay, this is another one with a stretch strapped, which I didn't even get a strapped. It smells really good, but this is supposed to be in packaging, but it is really surprising. And defects. Dirt. Look over here. I didn't even look for defects for these two. Okay, let's look for defects for this. She did say there's going to be defects around right here. Oh my gosh. Do you see this? Oh my gosh, you see this? Oh my gosh. So disappointed. Oh my gosh, I spent $20 for nothing. Okay, this. I know there's a defect over here, and no defects. I guess that's good. Yep, that's good. But I'm so. Oh my gosh! Look at these defects. Oh my gosh! Even this. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of defects. That's a lots and lots of defects. Even over here, are you kidding me? Even over here, oh my gosh, there's a lot of defects for this. And if there's a lot of defects, she must have said something. Okay, the next thing, which is the last thing supposed to be my shortcake. And second of all, this didn't even come in original packaging. This didn't even come in packaging. And the last thing which is supposed to be my shortcake is here without packaging again. But it's humongous. Oh my gosh. Strawberry is so solarizing, as you can see. Smells really it smells really good, but strong. Like, it's really strong. Like, I can smell it from over here. Yep, I can smell it from right over here. It feels like I'm playing with Play-Doh. I feel like there's Play-Doh in it. Alright, guys. That was all for today's package. Once again, I got scammed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time on my other video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button once again, because, just subscribe.